I hope you are finding all this useful information about Booking.com helpful. So, I'm going to show you how to sync your calendars. You must do this to make sure your availability is consistent across your accounts here. In my Booking.com listing and beyond, this is what I'm going to do. First, I need to double check here. I already have an account in here, but I'm going to get rid of it just to start over. So I'm going to import my calendar from Airbnb. If I used Verbal, I would do that as well. And then I'm going to export my calendar from booking.com to Airbnb. So I'll show you how to do this. So first to import, you're going to go to your Airbnb account. For your listing in particular, what you're going to do is start on the calendar. Click over here to availability. Scroll all the way down to the bottom to connect calendars. So you're going to connect to another website, not another listing within Airbnb. So to do that, to copy this to my booking.com listing, easy. I just push copy here. I go back to Beyond to my booking.com listing, and then I add a calendar address. Boom, easy. If that's all I'm adding, I can push save changes and I'm good to go. But before you save changes and completely leave, you do want to make sure you export your booking.com calendar to Beyond. So make sure you want to copy this as well. You can push this little copy button here. Go into your Airbnb account. Add another website link here. I could name it whatever I wanted. I'm going to do this booking.com, and then I add it in here. So that's all you need to do. Again, if you did use Verbo or something else, make sure to add that in here, and then it will ensure we can pull in reservations from Airbnb, reservations from Verbo, reservations from anything else you use via iCal. As long as it's imported into Beyond, you should be all set there. So nothing else I would do here, unless, of course, I have another listing I would add. But if you do have any questions, please let us know. We are happy to help and make sure you're set up correctly.